Alright, polyrhythms. Polyrhythms are another, it's pretty advanced. So, you know what, what am I doing here? So a polyrhythm is basically when, imagine you're a guitar player, if you have a guitar player or whatever, your bassist, whatever. Imagine they're playing a groove in 7/8. But you're still playing in 4/4. Then this creates a polyrhythm if you continue playing together. So I'm going to show you a simple rock beat that's in 4/4. Well, it's not a simple rock beat actually. It's just a normal beat, snare on 2 and 4. But the bass drum is going to be a polyrhythm. So the bass drum is going to be like it's in 7/4. So it's going to restart. My first bass drum is going to be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, no, 5, 6, 7. My next bass drum is going to be here. So let's see what the bass drum pattern is going to be. And like the last video, this polyrhythms, there's a lot of different ways to, you know what actually, yeah, okay, so I realized this is actually going to be like a longer rhythm. I'm going to do it as if the bass drum was in 7/8. So the next bass drum, the next time the bass drum is going to repeat its pattern is right here. So what the bass drum is going to do, I'm sort of just coming up on the fly on this thing, so it's going to do this. Okay, so this is going to be like a, it's just gonna, that's just gonna be it. So here, I just gotta make sure I'm doing this right, because I'm sort of just creating this on the fly. So this bass drum, yeah, alright, so it's gonna restart again here. So every measure is going to look a little different until eventually it's going to come around full circle again, and it will eventually repeat the same beat. But usually beats are like the same thing per measure. So usually I could take it, copy it, and just, you know, paste it down. But I can't take this measure and paste it because this measure isn't the same as these ones. It's all different because the bass drum isn't playing in 4/4. It's playing in like a different time signature. So this started here, here. So the next one it's gonna start on the end of 3. This is what I'm doing. All right. It seems like it just started again, but it didn't. But if you look at the first little bit here and here, they're both the exact same. It both starts off with 2 bass drums on the 8th notes. The difference is the pattern that it's playing is 2 and then another 2. So right here, what you're hearing is the last 2 is falling in place at the beginning. So that means that there's going to be no bass drums after this because the bass drum started here. So now it's going to start here. I'm just thinking how many times I'm going to have to do this until it starts over again. You know what? No, I don't want to do this right now. So it started here? Yes. Now it's starting again. You know what, hold on a second. I know I think there's a quarter note. Don't know why, just want it to look better. Okay, now I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little lost. Where did I Ah yes, it's starting here. Starting here again. And then no. Make this a quarter note. Shouldn't waste too much time on that though, because it's alright, so it's next time it's gonna restart is on the 2. Oh, I think we're close to starting over again. Yes, we're very close. So now it's restarting on the end of 1. Then the next time it's gonna start on the 1, right? It's the only logical answer. Yes, you could see it. So, bam, right here. Now my beat, this measure is gonna be the exact same as the first one. I hope I didn't mess up any of these measures here, or else the whole video is going to be pointless, but I mean, you get it, right? I should also say that polyrhythms, it's not very common in music. Like if you write a song with polyrhythms in it, you're going to come off as like a technical band. No ordinary band is just gonna start playing polyrhythms unless it's like a simple polyrhythm, like 3/4 over 4/4. It would just go back and forth. It wouldn't be like this, like 4/4 over 7/8, where it takes like so many measures, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 measures to come back again. All right. So let's listen to this. Let's listen to what I just created. Actually, I'm missing the last note. Alright, let's listen to this cool beat. Oh my god. Didn't even start it from the beginning. Let's do it right. Alright, cool.